Hello ladies and gentlemen, week 4 challenges have finally came out in Fortnite, and one of the challenges this week are to find 5 rings of fire and jump through them with the shopping cart or the buggy. In this video I'll be showing you all 5 of the locations that you need. Be sure to leave a like on this video, and if you're new around here, give me a subscribe. And you don't have to, but if you'd like to hit that bell icon, feel free to, that would help me out a lot and keep you notified for my next video. Also, be sure to be on the lookout for my next video, as I will be giving away a digital deluxe edition of Black Ops 4. Enjoy the video and let's get into it. Alright, so the first ring of fire you will want to go through is located on the south side of the tunnel right below Tomato Town. You can't see it on my screen because I've already got it, but trust me, it'll pop up on your screen right there and you can't really miss it. There's shopping carts right at the top of the hill for you, and it's easy. You just gotta build 2 ramps and you'll be right over top of it, as you can see where I'm swinging. Alright, the next one we'll be getting is a 2-for-1. First, we need to drop at Lazy Links to get the buggy or the golf cart, whatever you want to call it, and we'll be going directly south towards Loot Lake, as you can see in this video here. Now once you ramp over top of that one, you're going to be going directly kind of northwest, west-north, in between there, and you're going to find a divot towards the west of Lazy Links, which is near the top right of the map, and it'll be a divot that you can just ramp over top of, and again to get your 3rd ring of fire. To the west of Tilted Towers, there's a little place with like soccer pitches and stuff. This will be where number 4 is. Down at the bottom of this huge mountain, you'll see a ramp, and you have shopping carts, which you can jump through this next hole. And this is also a really nice place to get loot if you want to start off a game, so this one's one of the more low-key ones to get. And the last one is located at the very bottom of Snobby Shore. You can find your buggy or golf cart in Snobby Shore if you just want to land here. It makes it pretty easy, quick one to get out of the way. You just ramp over top like this little ravine or something, like a lake kind of, you know what I mean. And once you've done that, you got all 5. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful, a little short and sweet. Hopefully it helped you out, and that's 10 stars right there for you. That's another rank on the battle pass. Hope you enjoyed.